In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front inner fender liner on a Subaru Forester, which is located behind the front wheel. After you've raised and supported the vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm nuts. And remove your wheel. The piece that we're going to replace is this inner fender liner. It's held on by 2 8mm bolts here. On the back side of your mud flap, you have a 10mm bolt here. You need to remove that. And remove your mud flap. Underneath where you removed your mud flap, there's some fasteners. These fasteners, the center comes out. They're a Phillips screw. You turn it to the left, and that pops out. Then you can just take a pick, pull it straight out like that, and pop it out. Do the same for these 4. Moving up to the top, right next to your strut, there's a 10mm bolt you need to remove right here. And you have another fastener just to the left of the strut. Then one straight down to your left. And then right underneath your front bumper, you have 2 more clips, one there and one there. Once you get those 2 clips out, you can peel this piece back. Just peel it straight down and out, and that's your fender liner. Take your new fender liner, install it straight up. Once you have it on this lip here, you can swing over. You can install your first clip here. Install your mud flap with your 2 new screws and clips. Tighten those. Now you can install these 3 clips on your right-hand side. Then you have one right above that. Now you install your 10mm bolt up top, right next to your strut. Tighten that. Now just to the left of the strut, there's another clip. You need to install that. Now we're just under our front bumper. We can tuck this underneath. Line up our clip holes and install our clips. Install the one on the bottom. And then install the 10mm bolt that goes behind your mud flap. To install your wheel, slide your wheel over your lug nut studs and install your lug nuts. You want to tighten those in a star pattern. And torque those down to 65 foot-pounds. Once you've lowered your car down to a flat surface, now it's time to torque. You also want to torque in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.